Hi developers, I'm Sushruth and I work on Bito. Welcome back to another video where I talk about common code problems and how I catch them using Bito's AI code review agent. In our first video, I talked about memory leak problem in Java. And in this video, I'm going to talk about memory bloat or memory leak problem in Python. So memory bloat happens when Python holds on to objects that are no longer needed but still referenced somewhere in the program. Common patterns that lead to this problem are global lists or dictionaries that keep growing, caches that never evict old entries, closures that capture large objects, and long-running background workers that hold references throughout the code base. Now, here I have this two-file Python program, which is a common basic Python game. I created this program to just show you how I introduce intentional memory leak here in self.history and how I'll use Bito to catch this particular issue. So I implemented these code changes and raised a PR, which is here. And if you see, here is a summary by Bito. This pull request introduces multiple new components across Java and Python. We have a leaky Python game that simulates memory management issues. Perfect. If we scroll down and look at the suggestions, you'll find that here we have memory leak in history. If we scroll down to this problem, here it is. Memory leak in history on line number 12. It says the unbounded history list will cause uncontrolled memory growth in production. Absolutely correct. This was so easy. I made some code changes. I raised a PR and ran Bito's AI code review agent, and it gave me the exact suggestion with a code solution as well. I went ahead and asked Bito to suggest me an alternate solution to this problem and give me the reason why identifying this is important. It gave me this. Alternative is to implement periodic cleanup logic. Okay, I can ask Bito again, give me the code to implement periodic cleanup logic. I'll just add this comment. We will wait for a few seconds and refresh the page. Once we refresh, Bito will give us the code to implement this particular cleanup logic. Here we have. This is an example implementation. This code schedules a cleanup check during each relevant operation and purges outdated entries based on the defined expiry time. Super easy, right? Now, if you want to watch the memory leak in Java video as well, you can find the link in the description. This was it. I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any problems or questions, please feel free to reach out to the Bito team. Thank you.